Microsoft Publisher allows you to place different objects onto a digital document and then manipulate these objects around your page. Common objects include text boxes, tables, pictures, and shapes. A text box is a box which is designed to hold text. You need to insert and format a text box rather than writing directly on the page. A table is an object which is designed to order text and number data. Picture can be an image that you source online or take yourself. And shapes are things like squares and circles which you can insert and overlay to make interesting designs. To insert any of these objects, you need to find the Home tab and then the Objects group. Select the one you want, and then you'll be able to click and hold with your mouse to draw the object. Without selecting any objects, you won't be able to put anything onto your page.